Right, Nathan, your bike doesn't work, does it?
No.
Let's turn it over. It's not just motorbikes, is it? Turn your bike on for me. Turn it on. Yeah. Now, use the throttle. Doesn't work, does it? So what we think is, let's turn it over. Oh, let's turn it off. So, inside here, there's a little Bluetooth controller, isn't there? And it's not connecting to the phone. So this works off when we use the phone and we turn it up and we give you the throttle or pedal assist. And it's not responding, we can't connect to it, so we need to change this, okay?
Yeah, that.
Yeah, and over here.
That's where the battery.
Yeah.
That's where the battery.
Look what we've got. Can you open that for me?
What is that?
Open it up and see. You know how, so open it. Yeah, pull it, pull. The cat's coming to see. In there. Tell me where that goes. Where do you think that goes? Yeah, look at it. It's the same. So we have to get that off and swap this, and hopefully that fixes it, yeah? High five. Let's do that. Let's get a screwdriver. Right, we need a screwdriver. Let's get this one. Let's get a long one. A long one. Is that your motorbike and there's Daddy's? Yeah? Let's get this. So here you go. Where's that little screw? That screw there. Put it in there. Keep it safe. That's magnetic. Drop it. See, it's obviously a stainless steel screw. Right. We undo this and you get it as the screw comes out. Look at the screw. You got to catch the screw. Yeah? Not yet. Okay, grab the screw now. Get your little fingers in there. This is what suns are for. You hold the torch and grab the screws with your little fingers, and when they drop, twist it round this way a bit. Let's get it out the last bit. Yeah, nearly. Ah! Get it quick.
Where?
There. You're the little one that's supposed to find these things, like a magpie. What are you doing? You've got learning to do, haven't you? Right, we've got to get this one here, but look at that. That one is... Watch out, you're in the shadow. There you go. That one is ruined. Look at all this hair as well. Mummy puts all the cats in my garage and ruins it, doesn't she? After I did this nice floor. Right, let's see what we can do. Take one, then we've got it now. We beat it out. You get it out with your little fingers. Pinch it and pull. There you go. There you go. Take that one. We'll have to match a screw with that. We'll not put that one back in. So now we need to get this off and replace it with this one, okay? Nathan, so we unplugged it. And now we just need to get them wires through there. So can you pull that off? Oh, don't pull too hard. I don't want to make more problems. Here, you hold this and point it at that. Show everybody that you can do camera skills. Don't put your finger over the camera. Hold it down the bottom. There you go. Yeah, hold it tight. Up here. Can you see it now, yeah?
Yeah.
There we go. So we're nearly there. Nearly got this off. There we go. Show this. Yeah, that's the... Hopefully that's it. And when we replace it with this bit, do you think it'll work?
Look, the same.
Same, yeah.
Yeah.
Think it'll work? I'm not too sure, because last time it was just the app. I couldn't do anything, recharged it, changed the batteries, unplugged it, cleaned, electrical cleaning, electrical connector cleaning, tested it with a voltmeter, that was the volts, battery was good, and then all of a sudden the app changed and updated and it connected straight away. So I think it's something to do with the app, but we got one of them, we'll see. Let's plug and play. So before we put this back together, I think part of the problem is this has no rubber gasket, no seal around it. That's on the bottom. The wheel flicks round, water and dirt goes in there, and it probably, well, that's sealed, but you never know. We'll put some silicone around the outside of that, and then that hole where the wires go in, we'll just bung that up. We've only got clear, white silicone though, because I don't know where the clear is and I can't be bothered. Gonna put this on. Get this on. And hopefully, moment of truth, when I turn it on, Nathan, press that button for me. Let's see what happens. Turn it on. All right, let go. There it is, straight away. Look, it's found it. You can't use that yet, so we'll press that. Put the dodgy screw in the top so we can get on it, purchase on it. So yeah, put that in there, and then you screw that. That's it. And we've got the silicone round there to create a seal. Let that dry off. I'll do this one because I've got the right screwdriver in it this time. Here, you twist it like I am. Twist like that. Like a clock goes round. Go on. That's it. That's it. Yeah, nearly there. When it gets hard, it's done. Can you do it with me? Oh, nearly. Tell me when it's in. Oh, there it is. I'll finish this bit off so we make sure it's tight. There we go. Now this one. Then this last one. Quick, turn, turn, turn. Tum, tum, tum. Not that way, you're undoing it. Round the way the clock goes, that way, yeah. Lefty, loosey, righty, tighty. That's it. We actually have a machine for this, don't we? But sometimes it takes longer to get out and get it set up. The electric screwdriver. The drill. Right. That's it. So we'll put some silicone in there, squish it in there. Yeah? Stop the water, so you hold this. And make sure you can see this on the camera. Hold it. Move your hand out of the way. Hold it underneath there, yeah, like that. There you go. Now point it at this, okay? Make sure you can see this. Good boy. Wait for it. Can you see it?
Yeah.
There you go. Then lick my finger.
That's disgusting.
Yeah, it tastes like vinegar. One more. There we go. Black would have been better, look. Yeah, disgusting. Okay. Lick the finger. Push it around. There we go, nice. Look. Okay. Nathan, look, we turn it on. And then Daddy's going to set up the app. And we're going to go, okay? Okay, go. We've got it on full speed. Go. Show them. Turn round. Come on, full speed. Full speed, come on. Go, 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 full speed. Does it work now? Go and tell Mummy I fixed your bike, yeah. Go, go, go. What happened? What happened? What did we do in the garage?
Did you replace the Bluetooth? Or did charging it fix it?
No, we put glue on it.
Glue on it?
Yeah.
What was it, Daddy? That thing?
Bluetooth.
Bluetooth.
You did Bluetooth? And you did it by yourself or with Daddy?
Yeah, and there's a giant screwdriver.
A giant screwdriver?
Yeah, fixed now. You've been riding it around, yeah?
And
You had lots of fun?
little
Good.
one.